Ever wondered how to make the perfect egg burrito for breakfast? Well, let's dive into it. First off, we're going to kickstart this culinary journey with the heart of our burrito, the salsa. Fresh and flavorful, it's the secret to a perfect egg burrito. Grab some ripe cherry tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos. It's time to put those knife skills to work and chop them up. You're aiming for a fine, even dice here to ensure a harmonious blend of flavors. Once that's done, gather your chopped veggies in a bowl and give them a good stir. This simple act transforms them into a vibrant salsa, alive with color and bursting with taste. Now, let's season this beauty. A good pinch of salt and a generous shower of black pepper will do the trick. It's all about balance, remember. A well-seasoned salsa is a game changer. Now that the salsa is ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, who doesn't love bacon in their burrito? The next step is about giving your burrito a hearty crunch and a savory kick. We're talking about bacon, of course. To begin with, get your bacon strips and cut them into bite-sized pieces. This not only makes them easier to cook evenly, but also ensures every bite of your burrito is bursting with that smoky bacon goodness. Next, heat up your frying pan. You don't need any oil here. The bacon will render its own fat. Once the pan is hot, add the bacon pieces and let them sizzle. The key here is patience. Fry the bacon on medium heat, turning the pieces occasionally for an even cook. You'll start to see them transform, becoming crispier and turning into a beautiful golden brown. This process doesn't just cook the bacon, it also releases a lot of flavors that will permeate through your burrito, giving it an irresistible appeal. With the bacon cooked to perfection, it's time to prepare the eggs. Scrambled eggs are a key component of any great burrito. Now, these aren't your run-of-the-mill scrambled eggs. We're adding a subtle twist, a touch of garlic. It might seem unusual, but trust me, it elevates the eggs to another level. First, crack the eggs into a bowl. A quick whisk blends the yolks and whites, creating that beautiful sunny color. Now let's move over to the stove. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a smidgen of butter and let it melt, swirling it around to coat the pan. Here comes the interesting part. Toss in a clove of finely chopped garlic. Let it sizzle for a moment, releasing its wonderful aroma. Then, pour in the whisked eggs. Stir gently, creating soft, pillowy curds. Remember, we want to stop when they're about 80% cooked. They'll continue to cook in their own heat, ensuring a soft, creamy texture. With our eggs scrambled to perfection, we can now start assembling our burrito. Scene script. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, assembling our egg burrito. Let's start with the canvas for our masterpiece, an 8-inch tortilla. This is where the magic happens. Lay it out flat, and let's start layering up the flavors. Our first layer is the vibrant, zesty tomato salsa. We've got a mix of cherry tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos here, all chopped up and seasoned to perfection. Spoon it onto the tortilla, spreading it evenly to make sure every bite gets a taste of this tangy delight. Next up, we've got our crispy bacon. We've transformed simple strips of bacon into a crunchy, savory treat. Layer it on top of the salsa. The contrast between the tangy salsa and the salty bacon, it's a match made in culinary heaven. Now let's add our softly scrambled eggs. Cooked with a hint of garlic and stopped just short of fully done, they're tender and slightly creamy. They're the heart of our egg burrito, so don't be shy, pile them on. And what's a burrito without cheese? A sprinkle of sharp cheddar cheese gives our burrito that extra kick of flavor and a lovely melty texture. Now, carefully tuck in the ends and roll up your burrito, making sure everything is snugly wrapped inside. You want a tight roll so all those flavors stay locked in. Our burrito is now assembled and ready for the final touch. Now for the final step, cooking our assembled burrito. The magic happens as we gently cook the burrito on both sides, coaxing it to a golden, crispy finish. The sizzle and aroma, a symphony in the kitchen. The final flourish is a drizzle of our creamy mayonnaise sauce, cascading over the crispy burrito, followed by a sprinkle of fresh, vibrant parsley, adding that splash of color and a hint of freshness. And there you have it, a delicious, talent-packed egg burrito, perfect for breakfast or any meal of the day.